Welcome students, today we are going to learn about dimension. Dimension. What is dimension? Dimension is a measurement of the length, width and height of anything. Dimension is also called direction. Types of dimension. Following are the types of dimension: 0 dimension, 1 dimension or 1D, 2 dimension or 2D, 3 dimension or 3D. 0 dimension. This is a point. A point is an example of zero-dimensional object. A point is a zero-dimensional object as it has no length, width or height. It has also no size. 1 dimension or 1D. This is an example of a line. A line is an example of one-dimensional object. It has only length and no width. 2 dimensions or 2D. These are the examples of two-dimensional objects like triangles, pentagon, rectangle, circle, square, hexagon, octagon and oval. Two-dimensional objects have length and width but no thickness. This is an example of two-dimensional object. A rectangle is given. It has width and length, but it has no thickness. So two-dimensional objects have length and width, but no thickness. 3 dimensions or 3D. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid and cone. These are the examples of three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional objects have length, width and height. Three-dimensional objects have thickness or depth. This is an example of a three-dimensional object. A cuboid is given. Here you can see the length, width and height of the cuboid. So three-dimensional objects have length, width and height. Can you name the real-life 3D objects? Here 3D objects are given as an example. What you have to do, you have to just name these 3D objects. Good luck and thank you.